Valve's highly anticipated Steam Deck won't arrive in players' hands for a couple of months yet. But you can get a first peek of the system's internal hardware via the official teardown video that Valve posted. Interestingly, Valve spends a lot of time in this teardown video warning future owners not to do this.
In one way, this is a how-to video, but in another way, it's a why you really shouldn't do this video. That's because, even though it's your PC, we at Valve really don't recommend that you ever open it up.
As the Steam Deck has been really designed as a closed console system rather than a fully customizable PC.
The Steam Deck is a very tightly designed system, and
meaning replacing or upgrading the parts yourself is unwise at best and could potentially damage the system at worst. A lot of the Deck's parts have been specifically designed or tested for the system itself, and doing something like swapping in an off-the-shelf SSD could really mess up the fine balance that Valve has achieved throughout the system. Thankfully, Valve does hint that certain parts, like the Deck's thumbsticks, will eventually be swappable with third-party companies providing replacement parts. That's certainly welcome considering the ever-present concern of the analog stick drift, with devices like the Nintendo Switch as the most recent example. You can check out the full teardown video linked in the description below. If you haven't been keeping up with the Steam Deck, here are some of the basic specs that we know so far. It offers an AMD Van Gogh APU with 4 cores and 8 threads. The CPU will operate at a base clock speed of 2.4 GHz and will turbo up to 3.5 GHz. As for the GPU, you're getting an AMD RDNA 2 architecture with 8 compute units for a total of 512 stream processors, which will feature a clock speed of up to 1,600 MHz. The Steam Deck begins shipping sometime in December. But unfortunately, don't expect to grab one for Christmas now though, as the system is backordered well into 2022. But what do you think? Will you be grabbing a Steam Deck when they're available in stores sometime late in 2022? Or did you pre-order one? Let us know in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic tech news.